This is gonna be the instruction. We're gonna have the judges. I need another judge. You know what? I need somebody young. Give me somebody young. Hey, scoot over. Hey, come here. I need you to judge. Come here. Come and judge. No, Mama, come and judge. There we go. Come on, give Mama a hand clap. Yes, come on. So this is what we want to do. All the judges, this is what I want y'all guys to do. We're going to walk down to the very first car. And the first car going to crank up. And we're going to listen to their exhaust. So we're going to go to the next car. Listen to the exhaust and go to the next car. Go to the next car. Go to the next car. And then we'll come back together and we'll have them all crank it up at one time and hit the exhaust. Y'all, come on, crank it up. Crank it up. Okay. We get ready to count you down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Yes, it is a football war.
Get them fans. Come on, y'all. Bring it up. Bring it up, y'all. What number is this? Okay, here we go.
Uh-oh, now everyone got one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, give me a hand clap. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's see what Jesse got going on. Okay, ready? It's coming down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's always loud, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Like, he ain't nowhere close to where I thought he was going to be.
Me neither.
Come on, Vets for Vets. Vets for Vets.
All
Come on, watch out. We're trying to get it lined up, y'all, so we can get it going. There we go. I'm going to call out the number of the car. And I want you to remember that car. I'm going to go down each car and let you hear each car. And then we're going to decide which car have the best exhaust system. Okay? Car number 1. Crank up. All right, you ready? I'm counting down. Shut it down. Shut it down. That's number 1. That's number 1. This is number 2. This is number 2. Now we're doing number 3. 306. 2006. I'm going to lay it down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we got the 6. You ready to count you down? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, crank it up. Okay, I want all the crowd to come back here. All the crowd to come back here. So this is going to be the final. So this is what everybody has for the final. Okay? I'm going to count him down. After I count him down, he's going to shut it down. Then I'm going to count him down. He's going to shut it down. And then we're going to have the crowd, I'm saying, this part. Whoever said the loudest, we're going to scream for him. We're going to be quiet. We're going to say this part. We're going to scream for whoever has the loudest scream for whatever car is the winner, okay? All right, let's do it. On count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It was a very stiff competition, and let me tell you something. This exhaust system is awesome, and man, and I just want to present this plaque to the best exhaust 2025 5-star Corvette. Y'all come on, give him a hand clap, man. He done an awesome job. Awesome job. Best for vets. Come on, somebody. Amen. All right.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you. Yes. Oh, photo.
Come up to the table.